Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very easy leather or faux leather earrings. So let's get started. To make these really easy earrings, you're going to use a piece of leather. I'm using some leatherette, which is faux leather. Say you have an old jacket or an old purse that you don't use. All you need is a small piece of leather like this. And this one is, because it's fake leather, it was white on the back. So I just took a black marker and blacked it off. And then I just folded a piece of paper and I cut myself a pattern like that. And so now I can cut my two earrings out of this piece of faux leather. So I have the two layers and my pattern on top, and I'm just going to cut that out. Like that. Now you just fold it like this, and you can either cut some slits like I've done on these, or you can actually cut a V inside. So to cut the slits, you just cut up the center, and then divide in between the two, and cut the slits there. Like that. And to cut a V, you just simply cut a V out of the center. So you just cut up and then cut. Like that. And I just have a needle here, or you could use a map tack. And I'm just going to punch a hole and then attach a jump ring. Like that. And then I just have a piece of wire, and I made a loop at one end, and I'm going to pass on a bead, and I'm going to make that into an ear wire, and attach my earring, like that. And that's how easy it is to make these faux leather or real leather earrings. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.